Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm doing a makeup haul and this is one of my favorite brands. It's called Nabla Cosmetics and it's Italian brand. I really like that they're very consistent with their quality and aesthetics, and I really wanted to try some new stuff. So if you're interested in this type of video, then please keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the first product that I was really contemplating to buy and I finally did, it's Nabla Cupid's Arrow in Cappuccino. This is eye pencil, and if you're watching my videos then you probably already know that I'm in love with Arrow 1. This is Arrow 9 Cappuccino, and I like to wear it actually as a lip contour and on my crease. This is a darker version of that one. From the pictures that I saw, it looked really gorgeous. So I'm gonna use it in my crease, even though that it's a bit darker than that one. And I'm gonna show you a comparison between these two, just so you can see the difference if you already have an Arrow 1. Here you can see this is Arrow 1 Cappuccino. Arrow 1, it's a little bit warmer and lighter. Arrow 2, it's a little bit more contoury type of shade and darker, a bit darker. I really enjoy this formula. It's really easy to blend out. It works on your eyes and on your lips. The thing that I like the most is that they really nail the shades. They're really beautiful shades. They also have one really warm brown and then black and purple. Then they have some crazy shades as well. So this is a really nice transitional shade. For darker looks, this can even be a base for your eyeshadow. And can you see how easy it is to blend out? If you have hooded eyes with this type of shade, you can create a fake crease that it's a little bit higher, and you can kind of visually push back this area and it still looks really natural. I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit underneath and I'm gonna blend that one actually with a smaller brush. It's just the easiest formula to work with. You also have to do like this face. Then I have 3 new special shades, and I really like that you get these eyeshadows in this carbon packaging, so you don't waste a lot of plastic. So the first one, it's called Cannabis. Finish it's Celestial. I think it's a duochrome. It's like a dusty purpley shade. I'm just gonna first show you on my finger. Ooh, yeah, this is duochrome. Oh, this is crazy. Can you see that? And this is on the back of my hand. Obviously, you can create your own eyeshadow palette, so these are just individuals. You can buy an empty magnetic palette to put them inside. I have to do that. I totally forgot, and I don't have any. Okay, the next one is called Citrus Notes, and finish is Magichrome. Ooh, the camera doesn't pick it up. I can see that. It has very like a green yellowy gold shimmer, but it's white at the same time, and it has something that it's almost like a blue, or that's just my eyes playing on me. I really hope that you can see that. And then on the back of my hand, oh, it's even better. I really think that it looks flat on monitor, that it doesn't pick all the shades. It's really neon-like shade. And then this is Snow Lotus. The finish it's glitter. This is actually pressed glitters. And I have one eyeshadow palette. You can check out my eyeshadow palette collection if you're interested. And I'm showing you there that palette, that it's only pressed glitters from Nabla. So I'm gonna put this one inside. This is like a fun pressed glitter, that it has a little bit of like again yellowy greeny gold, then some blue, pastel blue, It's just beautiful. This one is Snow Lotus. Okay, so let's do a full look out of this. So it's going to look crazy. I'm starting with Cannabis. And I'm a little bit worried that I should use all three of them with my fingers. So I'm not sure if it's going to pick up, because usually these kind of shades, you need at least wet brush. But I'm just gonna first try it out, why not? But yeah, I can already see that finger is a way to go. I'm just gonna see if I wet my brush what's going to happen, and I'm gonna use a little bit more of a flat brush. Yeah, and you can immediately see the result. So your fingers or flat wet brush, just pat it on. I'm just applying it in my outer corner. I mean, I would use this one on its own all over my eyelids, but I want to show you all three of them. So, and it has like this brown base to it, which is really pretty. I'm just gonna blend out the edges now, and then I'm gonna also use this one underneath my eyes, but just in my outer corner for now, and a little bit lower, just so you can really see, because my eyes are not big enough for everything. But what a gorgeous shade, and I think this goes so well with my jacket. I mean, just imagine this one all over my eyelids and this jacket on. I know I'm a little bit silly, but I think about this stuff. Okay, I'm wetting my second brush for citrus notes. Ooh, ooh. And I'm applying, so this one goes in my inner corner towards the center, and that's just crazy. That's just crazy. This is so nice, so pigmented. I'm just blending these two together with my finger, and then I'm applying the same shade underneath my eyes. I actually really like this look. This is amazing. For the sake of this video and for me, I'm gonna check out how this one is looking if I'm applying it only with my finger, so without brush, because usually this is the best way to get the most effect. Yeah, I mean, this is something else. So for this I would use my fingers, and then I would just blend it out with a brush. I really love shades like these. They're so fun. They're not too much. They're not like extremely in your face, and you can really regulate how much you're going to use it. If it's just going to be a really light wash of the shade, or if you want to go for an evening a full-on glam or disco style, I mean, you can apply a black eyeliner underneath, eye pencil, and then this one on top. It doesn't matter which one of these, and it just is going to look like incredible. I would keep it like that and maybe just eyeliner or something like that, but I need to try this pressed glitter one. So I'm just gonna press that one more so in the center, and that's just it. I really love it. And I have my 30th birthday in 2 days on Wednesday, and maybe this is an eye look that I'm going to go for. But I do have a silver pants to put on, so I would go for just something maybe just in the outer corner. So I'm not gonna ruin this makeup look with adding a bold black eyeliner, nothing like that. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of black eyeshadow just to smoke out the outer corners, but you don't even need to do that. Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye, and then I will show you 2 more products. Okay, my eyes are done, and isn't it amazing? Can you see this? The next 2 products are Beyond Jelly lipsticks. And yes, if you are a subscriber to my channel, I already have 2. So now I do have 4, almost all shades, but I already had Solstice and Libido, but now I really wanted to buy something that is going to work for me on everyday basis, so really a neutral shades. So I bought Dia and Luz. Maybe at first they are going to look really similar to you, but wait. So this one it's Luz, and this one is Dia. So this one is darker and a little bit more reddish. This one it's a true like neutral shade. So first I'm gonna show you Luz. This is a perfect neutral lipstick for me, because my lips are so dry all of the time that I have a big trouble with finding a good lipsticks for me that work for hours and hours and that they do not dry out my lips. They have like a coconutty smell, just so you know, but yeah, they are very cushiony. They are not thin, they are a little bit thicker. At first they are a little bit harder, but then once it touches your lips and you rub it in, they start to melt, start to feel and look like a gloss almost. And that's what I really like about them. And it's not like those formula of lipsticks then that are very creamy, but they actually dry out your lips. This is such a unique formula, and I believe this is my favorite everyday lipstick. And can we talk about packaging as well? This is the most gorgeous packaging for lipsticks, if you ask me. And then the second one, it's called Dia. This one is like an everyday muted brownie red. I like this one even more. I think this one suits me a little bit better. It's perfect for now, for autumn and winter, because it's that more brownie moody shade. I just think that this one doesn't suit this look that much, so I'm gonna go back to the previous one, so Luz. It's so easy to apply, and also once it wears off, your lips are left really nourished, moisturized. I just love this formula. So I'm gonna show you all 4 of them together so you can see the difference. More that you rub in this formula, more it's glossy, which is perfect. And if you think this one, it's like a lip serum from Makeup by Maria, it's not. It's not even close. It's much more a lipstick than serum. This one is Solstice. It's also perfect for autumn because it's this amazing orangey lipstick that it's perfect if your face cannot handle orange, because it's more muted, more neutral, but it's a little bit more pigmented, a little bit darker. And also this one, Libido. It's like Dia, but it's darker red. So, wow, that was clever. So this one, it's Luz. It's the most neutral of them all. Then this one is Dia. It's a little bit more browny red. Then this one, it's Solstice. It's a little bit more orangey. And then Libido. It's the darkest from the bunch. It has the most red in it. And yeah, we covered everything from this haul. If you enjoyed this video and if you would like me to do more of makeup hauls, then please like it and comment down below, because this actually helps me now that I have been monetized to actually buy more products and review them for you. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.